Benda ki Election District Council haringkat kajing penklan ki bor pahara. Yatrilang ke asam at MEGHALAYA benyat bat ke election JHDC ki jaka kapot. Lapan biang dia ki kenhun tap vote ho West Jaintia Hills Schwabens dang ke Election District Council. Beliau Menteri Rambak Kejelaya ke Apollo Trinity Medical Center, Hashalong. Bat bishar peniak ke Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng ke Nimbu Benje Bamhania dia ki Kampen Roy Haribhoi District. Ki kubor ki babnya ke election jaka KHDC ba JHDC ke belabu benlong ke arpway terik mentau benai ba ke jing pen kre kalayat chat hambarok we ke jela uba Cyril Dingdo Commissioner Secretary Jokatna District Council Affairs ula pentip ke DC ke lapen long bonsin ke jing bishar benya kenang ban pentik kena bakan long ke bayat bayat rinti Nakaliang Chief Secretary ke Jela ula let jurip ya ke jing pen kre ha ISBT Shillong kat baya ki bor pahara lapen klan ha ki jaka ki bedon jingma ha ke bala phak shu ya ki bor pahara ki jaka thep vote ki bala ban mi ki kenrum kenram Balat arpu ar kelur tingka lamang nak benta ke jing pen poi marpam ke jing pahara bat ke jing pen ya baaro ko we ke election.
We had multiple reviews with Deputy Commissioners. In fact, yesterday our Chief Secretary also visited ISBT to review the preparations in East Khasi Hills district because we know East Khasi Hills is one of the larger districts when it comes to KHDC polls. The arrangements are all in place for dispatch of polling parties, dispatch of materials and also receiving of materials and the counting centre which has been notified as ISBT for the East Khasi Hills district. For Peninsula and Sora, the commissioning and the dispatch of polling parties would be from Peninsula and Sora respectively. And the counting also will happen at Peninsula and Sora. The budget is 22 crores. We will know once the poll is complete. This is the budget we have adequately given to the DCs.
Kibor Penyat District jangka West Karbi Anglong Assam, kila kular ban kershan pura ya ke West Jaintia Hills MEGHALAYA nak bentaban penyat bet yat rentik ke election JHDC. Bat kumta ki pulit ke jela MEGHALAYA kila penbena ban penklan ya ke jeng pahara hasilinter ki jaka kaput ha ka balabo san spa san pongut ki officer nak benta ke election ha ka arpway terik mentau benai. La itu ya ki sau pupratli ki jaka thep vote ki beton jingma ki ban yok kambon ke jeng pahara. Haduk menta syamladon ke no ke jeng penken ya ka model code of conduct. Setang sisngi ban sedang ke election jong ke District Council ha West Jaintia Hills san pukandai na ki arspa sapoi li jaka thep vote kila depan pha sha ki jaka balabu kerpang jongki ha ke lengki khat khandai li ki constituency hadu shispa prapu art li ki kenhun ki bidang sa kin mi la shai kasngi hadin bikla pendap ki kot ki slah office jong deputy commissioner ongka kerbo bala pelat pat ba mata kasngi Ka MEGHALAYA kelalong ke jela ke bapau ke jengmang pisa nak bentah ke kot ke kia. Da ke ba IT haduk kendai nak sispa nak jeng pelut barok ke wei syah ke ni ke bentah. Menteri Rambak ke jela ukondret ke sangma ha ke por bepli ke Apollo Trinity Medical Center ha Lower Nongrum Hills Shillong. Ula banjur ya ke jeng syam kia jong ke jela ban penkelai ke rukom sumar pang ke bakentup ke jeng petrekam de ki kor ki bori ki nongpang ke besedang Haribhoi District. Kajela ketemu bentau ke digital system nak benta barok lai pupra lakngut kinong song ban penbahai ke jeng ai jing sumar bat nakaliang Chief Secretary ke jela ba DP Watlang ula penpau halor ke jing job jong ke MHIS ke bakentup lang ya ki OPD ba ula kindu ban penrung adhar nak benta ban yo ye jementoi Kejela kala sakiru ke jeng kiu ke bakrau ki lat jing sumar jongka da ke jeng mi ke jaka sumar jong ke Shillong bat Dura Medical College
Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget. So, our budget is on healthcare, and that makes us the number one, in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So, this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. We are now going to be creating an online system where the entire patient record, OPD, everything will be available to the doctor at any given time. That means the history of the patient.
In Meghalaya, under MHIS, it also covers OPD. So those who come here also, if it is a panel, will be taken care of by the government. My request is that, the government is taking care up to 30,000 per annum for OPD. That is up to 30,000 expenditure will be taken care of. The government is giving 30,000 each and everyone, but you just need to avail a facility. And what is needed basically is that you have to register for the MHIS, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, and you have to have an Aadhaar card.
Menteri Sarkar Pedang Berikmi Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Kanimu Benje Bambania, Kalalej Ngo Ekaribhoy Aspirational District Ban Bishar Binya. Ia kijing temu penroi hakaliang ka kuat ka kia, ka puli putih, ka rep karyang, ka jing kentup ia ka pisah tengka ba kijing tei. Ha ka jing kendu ha Office Deputy Commissioner Hanongpo kelapan pau ka jing kemen ka jongkai ka jing kiu jong ka district pat kalaya ro ia ka benta jong ka Sarkar Pedang ha ka roi ka par jong kari India. Ketika Menteri Rangba kelapan longru ke jing jurup ia baru ki projek beper kintup ia kenarang sub-center ke yau lebai ha dulongnar ke Pineapple Processing Unit ha umdihar ke MGNREGA Airpecon bat ke JJM scheme ha kesnong Quinine. Chief Secretary ke Jilla upa Donald P. Watlang ulapan scam halor ke jing I degree belapan mi ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya la ke baong ba ya ke ni ke school ba la itu ke University Grants Commission belapan terekam da ke jing menjur jong ke Sarkar. Menteri Rangba jong ke Jilla Assam Hemanta Biswa Sarma ula berngem ban penduk ke jing itu ya ke bayo degree na ke USTM ke jing tap kam Sarkar. Habaya keren bagi nong tok kubor ne kesengi uba Watlang ula penting kena bagi ke skol ba ke terekam hapo ke jeng menjur jong ki bor penya da ke penting kena bagi degree jong ka kin bat ke jeng long bepura ke liang ke jeng pule bat ke kam.
STM is a state university. As far as we are concerned, it is mandated by the State Legislative Assembly of the State of Meghalaya. The degrees are recognized by UGC. The degrees are recognized by the Medical Council. Therefore, there is no question of it being fake. It is a genuine university and it is supported by the government of Meghalaya.
Ugyanesh Kumar, hine kesengi ula shimti kumu Chief Election Commissioner Bathamai Hanirvichan Sadan kebenaran Nongba Delhi. Ulami bujlino hagajaka Rajiv Kumar ubala pendap ya ke port terekam ke jongu. Ukumar labat kum Election Commissioner nado ubenai leber arhajar arpusau. Kum IAS officer jong kasnem kat kendai spa prapupra na Kerala. Ukumar labat ya kikerdan bekongsan kentup kum Secretary Katana Parliamentary Affairs and Cooperation. Ka kinhu ni le kai softball ke Jilla ka bakentup ya kinu le kai kentei bachan rang kalami na kanong ba panishim benta ke Senior National Championship ke basau punriu ka sedang naduk ke arpu arterik haduk ke apunriu terik urimpang bentau nai ha Amravati Maharashtra. Na kaliang ke Meghalaya Softball Association hinne kasi kalapan long ka jing lang ban ai kublai kitbok kitwiang ya kani ka kinhu ni le kai. Habakren hakajing lang u President kasinjuk u Dr. Amanwar ula ay mansia makinong ilekai bikini ilekai bhabat ban pin I ka sap ka pong ka jongki knang bikin la ban wanra ya kijing job hakajilla.
You have worked very hard all this time. And then you had that 1 week camp. You showed yourself. We had tournaments. And with each and every tournament that we had, we saw the improvement. And I'm very, very confident as what the Secretary had already said. You'll come out with flying colors. But remember, when we go out of the state to represent in any discipline, remember you are ambassadors of the state. And the most important thing is that Gor kaburam tagari patikaw. Nado ko fimi nang ni hado pinapoy ito ka but pure pie.
MEGHALAYA Cricket Association kalapan long kajing langjong Apex Council kapa arpaway hinin kasngi hakli tershi in kapa West Jaintia Hills hakabalapan ya dok President Unababrata Bat Cheji but kijing penplab kongsan ki kentup kajing jit yo sengna moment kum Vice President ba Royal Karkamni kum Secretary uba Gideon ai Karkungor kum dukot kani kajing lang kalong ban pelet jing mut halor kajing pen kre nakabenta ka ayom ban wan ban kentiu ka sap ilek ka jong ka than but ban pin he kamadan ilek ka cricket ka bathamai hamukla
are all united, whether people are in the Apex Council or outside, are all committed, particularly all the district association, to take cricket forward in our state. Our main focus is to improve our own local players, which is very, very important, and it largely depends on the District Cricket Association. Meghalaya Cricket Association will not compromise on this aspect. We need to develop our own players. It may take time, but ultimately it is our own local players who will have to come and carry the mantle of our state. We have also, as you are aware, identified a plot of land in West Jaintia Hills at Mukhla. All of you were present when we signed the lease deed, and we are committed to develop this ground.
Mentang ini pek kejeng long jaman kesib nang hatura kejeng kret kelong khat nyau degree Celsius bejeng shit kelong arpu nyau degree Celsius kejeng sengam kau hau meta kesing kelong san pun rio na kesispa Habo pai pat shalong ba shalong kejeng kret kelong nyau point sau degree Celsius bejeng shit kelong arpu point a degree Celsius ba kejeng sengam kau hau meta kesing kelong kendai pulai na kesispa Kat bahaju waipat kejeng kret kelong rio degree Celsius ba kejeng kret kelong arpu degree Celsius kejeng sengam kau hau meta kesing kelong nyau po na kesispa Kasun beneng kala pandon kejeng hap slap hagi kat tu kat ni kejaka hatura jawai pat shalong. Shoban poi jo buku jang tup kubor ni pek BCC ni akimat bukongsan. Long balak krek kejela nak bentar ki election district council ringkat kejeng penklan ki bor pahara. Ya terlang ke Assam at MEGHALAYA ban penyat bet ya rentik ke election JHDC haki jaka kapun. Lapan biang giken hun tap vote ha West Jaintia Hills Shwaban sedang ke election district council. Beliau Menteri Rangbak Kejelai Apollo Trinity Medical Center Hashalong. Bat bisa bini akan Menteri Kesoka Pedeng ke Nimuben J. Bamhania Yaki Kampen Roy Harupoi District. Dia perlu ketung lapor sepukut jang tup kubor jengi mata kejanmian. Haduk mendisiam yang berpilih syai kesingi kublai pi baro.